everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I am going to show you sun-dried vadiyalu made of poha and sorel leaves, that is chukka kura, and this really tastes yummy. And let's start the recipe. I'm going to harvest some sorel to make some sun-dried vadiyalu using poha, so that's the reason I'm harvesting this. I need lots of them, so I'm going to save this for whole year. They taste very good, like same like chukka kura. I'm having a lot of sorel leaves, and within 1 week this grows back, so I'll have again these many. Washing my greens. So I had chopped sorel leaves or chukka kura and red flakes, salt, and lots of sesame seeds and washed poha. So the ratio you can take as you like, but I could like to have more greens, and I want to sun dry because it has vitamin D absorption and it's healthy, and these are good fit for winter. I can use all these for my winter. Already looks nice, tasty. So I'm going to make vadiyalu out of this poha. So I have added some water into this. So with both the hands I'm going to press and make rounds like this and dry for sun. I'm going to finish off all this. So maybe I need to cut my leaves little smaller, because I thought that when it gets dried anyway it shrinks, but these are coming out of. They look good. It may take 2 or 3 days to dry. So I have added some water because I could not mix up those green leaves into it. It still has to dry, but maximum it has to dry down. Looks good for now, but if there is any sunshine then I'm going to dry this. I already preheated, and it takes a while to do in the salt, and it may not be that perfect, but it works. I've done these two in microwave and these two in the salt. Let me taste. And it tastes too good. You should try it. For full recipe, look into the description box below, and if you like the video, share with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and see you with next video. Until then, bye.